The first Noel, the angels did say, was the Saturn push